How to move files from OneDrive to another OneDrive. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can move your files from OneDrive to another OneDrive. Alright, so let's begin. So what you want to do is, first open up the OneDrive that contains the files you would like to transfer to another OneDrive. And for me, as you can see here is the file named Programs. Now, there are basically two ways to share a file. Okay, so the first one is to simply click on the folder and select all the files you would like to transfer. So via this check mark over here on the left, and then simply pressing download, which will download all the files to your computer. And then you want to log into the other OneDrive and then simply upload them back by just simply dragging them in here. And this is the first way to do it. The second way is to press share up here, and then this send link files for transfer will open up. Here, simply put in the email address of your other OneDrive account. Set the permissions accordingly, and then just press send. Your file will then be shared to your other OneDrive account, and that's it.